Okay, so we are playing BombBusters Mission 10, right?
Yep.
Mission 10 of BombBusters. A rough patch. And it has a timer. It's 15 minutes for 2 players or 12 minutes for 2 players. Sorry. 15 minutes for several players other than 2 and 12 minutes for 2 players. We are 12 minutes. Another exciting day in the life of a bomb disposal expert. Unfortunately, today is going to be tough. Someone's forgot to pick up coffee and now everyone's feeling the pressure. Keep up the team spirit, work together, and then remember to buy coffee before the next mission. And we are setting up. We need 1 red, 4 yellow, and a timer. If equipment 11 coffee mug is drawn, discard it and replace it with a new card. Yes, 2 players, 12 minutes. Mission rules. Once setup is complete, not yet, he's doing it. Start a timer. You must defuse the bomb before time runs out. For the mission, you do not play in clockwise order. Instead, you make turns in any order you like. Once the bomb disposal expert says snip, they become the active player and take a turn. Important. Wait until the end of the active player's turn before saying the snip. Don't panic. You are all on the same team. Note. The same bomb disposal expert cannot take 2 consecutive turns in a row. Instead, when playing with 2 players, or they are the only bomb disposal expert still in the game. Ooh! So with 2 players you can play twice in a row?
Yeah. Or 3 times in a row, or 4 times in a row.
Okay. So your stance?
Okay, thank you. Just
My stance?
get the equipment out. So the coffee cup comes up, we'll put it back.
3 stance each of us, right? 3 or 2? How many were they, Mike?
2 each.
2 each. Okay. So 2 each. I'm gonna lower this so that you can see my cards. Where are my cards? My tokens. Okay.
Okay, so we need to get our pieces out. So there are 48, we have 52, 53 pieces. So what's that? 13 for 3 and 14 for 1.
13 for 3? What do you mean 13 for 3?
1, 2, 3.
Ah, perfect. So 13.
And we've got 4 yellows and 1 red.
So we have 1.1, 2.1, 4.1, 4.5, and 9.1.
Indeed.
I'll take 14 for this one, okay?
Oh.
This one, that is closer. Will you do the timer, please?
I can do this, I can do.
Oh no, I have a better idea, Mike. One second. have this timer. So I'll start it later and everyone can see. Well,
Okay, 12, 12.
remind me the rules. If we have the same number, each number exists 4 times in the game.
Yes, apart from the yellows and reds, which only exist once.
It only exists once. And if I am or you are to have the 4 of one number, then we can clean it up.
Yeah.
And what are these cards here, Mike? What are those?
Those are
Like special powers, right?
they are special powers, yes.
That any of us can invoke.
Well, only when a 6 has been cut first, and only when an 8 has been cut first, in this case.
Okay, so let me see those. Close. Close, close.
So remember, the actions you can make are a dual cut, where you pick one of mine and one of yours, or vice versa. Or a solo cut, where if you have both of a number in your hand, in one of your boards, and they are the last of those number. So imagine you had, I don't know, 2 8s.
Mm-hmm.
If the 2 8s were already out there, already done, you could just cut those 2 8s because they're the final ones.
Okay, perfect. So we have a special action 6. So for that we have to have cut all the 6s, rewinder, move the detonator dial back 1 space. Because we are 2 people, we can make 2 mistakes before we die. Ooh. And 8. General Radar. Stage a number between 1 and 12. All bomb disposal experts, including you, say yes if they have 1 or more uncut blue wires of that value in their hand. If a bomb disposal expert has 2 stands, the answer is separately for each stand. Ah, well, in our case, it's not very useful because we are only 2 people, so we know all the blue tiles are out there. So if I don't have them, you have them.
Yeah.
So the 8 is not very useful. Okay, so anything we want to discuss before I put the timer?
Yeah, but you could get to know which of my 2 it was in.
Ah, yes, that's a very good point. He's very clever. I'm the captain, but he's the clever one. I am good at building my team. I got people that are more clever than me. That's what all successful business people do.
Reminding myself of the rules.
Okay, so anything we want to discuss before we put the 12? So we have to say snip, snip, snip. If we want to take the turn, right?
Yes, you have to say snip, and then you get to do it.
Okay. Anything we want to discuss?
Well, before we start, we get to pick one of these, don't we, and place it as
Ah,
an indicator
it's true.
in each of our, one of our things.
One of our things. So you have the red and I have the yellow.
Yeah, so we can place a number.
I'm gonna put it here. Is it pointing to this tile?
Yes.
Perfect. So I have marked that this is a 5.
I'm going to mark. That's a 2.
So from now on, we say a snip when we want to play. Should I start? Do you want to discuss anything else?
No, that's good.
So 12 minutes timer. Gone.
Okay. Eternity.
Snap.
Okay.
4 9s.
Wow. Okay, so as you pointed out, the 5 go snip, and That is a 5. And that is a 5.
Perfect. A snip.
Mm-hmm.
This is a 1.
Yeah.
A snip.
Yeah.
1.
Right. Ah, you should leave them where they were.
Ah, sorry. What does it mean?
Like just in the position you snip them.
Okay. Sorry.
Because then it's a reference.
Okay. Okay. A snip. This is a 12.
It is. Okay, so I mean, there's one of mine you must be able to get.
2.
Yeah.
Snip 2.
Perfect. Snip 2.
A snip 3.
Yeah.
We have not done the 6.
So I'm going to say it's got to be snip 12.
Yes. Very good. 12 fatal.
Okay, and then yeah, that was the 12. Then it must be also snip 11.
Very good. And then I do a snip 11.
Yeah. And again, snip. Was it? Yeah, it must be. Well, the 9s or no,
Have we done all the 11s? Yes.
do all the 11s.
All the 9s, so the only thing missing are 10s.
Yep. Snip 10.
Very well.
There's that. And the substitutions.
So the 10s are done. Now that 8s and 7s. Wow. I'm gonna risk it.
Maybe you can use the double detector and things.
What do you mean use it as a detector? And what was that?
You can point to say that or that is a thing.
Ah. And we also have the 6. We can rewind things. So.
Have we snipped a 6?
Ah, no, we have not. Okay, let's go for it. I'm gonna. So you have 2 6s and 3 7s and 2 4s. Okay. Let's say 3 7s, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna say double detector.
Okay.
This or this is a 6.
No.
Lost it.
Left down.
Ah.
Okay, so I need to put a marker for one of those, don't I? Let me just check how that works.
We should have checked all the rules before
Yeah.
starting the timer. Lesson learned.
I place one info token in front of one of my choice. Okay. Let's say. What's this?
Okay, snip 7.
Okay. Perfect. Snip. 7.
So the 7s are that. We need the 6s and the 5s, but none of that
Yeah.
was a 6. So this is a 5. Snip 5.
Yep. And it is.
On the 5 are done, right?
Yep. Okay, so you have.
So there are 3s and 4s here.
So that one must
But
be.
there is also a 4.5.
Snip 8.
Very good. Get the other 8s, Mike.
You've got the other 8.
I don't have more 8s. Ah, yes, I do have more 8s. Yeah. Okay, snip. This is an 8.
Ah. No,
Oh, but the.
it's not.
Ah, I didn't see the 9.5. Pa, 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 pa. Lost.